Break ID number 4012. 2017 Chronicles Baseball. $1 break. Go. Wow, 3 free spots. Michael AP, Rick VI, Jason ME. Redemption right off the bat. Contenders rookie ticket, Aaron Judge. Just like that. $3 a team. That's it. To the Yankees. Michael AP. There is another one of these up there with 6 spots left. Another redemption. Of course. Always, always, always in the same box. Jordan Montgomery. Why that's the case, I have no idea. Usually it's the other way around. Yankees, Michael AP. Gold standard. Antonio Senzatella /99. Rockies. Jeff BR. Still one auto left. And here it is. Josh Hader. That's not bad at all. playoff ticket parallel to 99. Actually, I don't think we've ever seen him in this. A very good time for that one. Milwaukee. Jason M.E. Last pack. All right. So 6 left in another one of those, 5 left in 2018.